Hey everyone, so today I want to quickly go over how to get a free VR cover facial interface with phone replacement for your Quest 2 if you find the original facial foam interface that came with your Quest 2 uncomfortable. So let's get into it. So like I said, some of you may find the original foam interface from the Quest 2 headset uncomfortable, and Oculus has reported that some people have experienced some skin irritations like redness or bumps or swelling. So Oculus has actually offered to fix this issue by providing a free VR cover facial interface. Because of the material on VR cover's version, some find it more comfortable and easier to clean versus the original facial interface, which is made up of foam. By the way, if you want to know more about the VR cover version, I have actually done a review on it. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested. So let's quickly go through the steps of how to get a free VR cover facial interface. Also, I want to point out I do live in the US, so hopefully this also applies to your region as well. Now, first step is opening an Oculus support ticket, which I'll leave a link in the description. It will first ask you to choose a request type. Go ahead and select the drop down menu and then click on the last selection where it states, "I'm concerned about my skin irritation using my Quest 2 facial interface." Then it will pop up a list of questions asking you to fill out your email address, your name, and select the reason for contacting them. I'm going to go ahead and select that I would like to receive a replacement facial interface. Then it will prompt you to answer a few more questions like putting in your email address that you used to log into your Oculus account and a couple more required questions. And then I just want to point out, Oculus will ask you for your serial number of your Quest 2 headset. This is actually located on the bottom of your Quest 2 box. Press the submit button. Then you'll get an email from Oculus support stating that within 1 or 3 business days that you'll receive instructions of how to request shipment of VR cover's facial interface free of charge. So personally, I got my email in 1 business day. Within that email, you'll get a link that will prompt you to log into your Oculus account. Then it will take you to an empty shopping cart. Scroll down a bit and you'll see you can add a VR cover facial interface and phone replacement to your cart. Then click on the add to cart button, and then on the next screen you'll see a free VR facial interface in your shopping cart. Then once you verify the information is correct, hit the checkout button. Then it will ask you to enter your shipping information of where you want the product to be sent and your email address. And finally, click on the place order button when you're done. And that's pretty much it. They'll provide an order number and an email confirmation that shows your order status. So let me know if you guys decide to replace the original facial interface with the VR covers version. Hopefully you find this video helpful. As always, if you like the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.